FitLab PGH back with another movement tip and lifestyle hack. Movement is part of what makes your life complete, but we all have a responsibility to be good outdoor citizens. If you work out in a gym, you probably get irritated or mad at somebody who uses a machine and doesn't wipe it off. It's good sense, it's good manners, and in most gyms, it's part of the rules. It's the same thing when you're out here with your dog. I know you want to let your dog run free, but most parks have leash laws, and in addition, those of us who don't know your dog are not happy when a big dog comes running at you and your response is, "Don't worry, he's friendly." I don't care if he's friendly or not. I've got 2 dogs here on a leash, and when an unleashed dog runs at them, they have a tendency to get excited. So if you're out with your dog, be a good citizen, and remember the trail isn't all about you and your dog. If you want your dog to run free, both Mingo Creek Park and South Park have really nice dog leash free areas. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLab PGH.